Hello and welcome back to Victoria Banks TV. You guessed it, I'm Victoria Banks, and today I have kind of like an unboxing video, except I already threw away the box. And so an unboxing meets review kind of a thing. So I haven't tried any of these products, but I just got them all in and I'm really excited to review them for you. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and make sure you comment below after you watch this video and tell me how you loved it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm not sure if you know, but I have a stretching YouTube channel and it's called Stretched and Fit. I'll link it in the description below so you can go ahead and check it out. But all of the stuff that I got is for that channel. So first I'm gonna start with these yoga dice. They have they're wooden, come in a wooden box. They are wooden, a little bit polished. They have a whole bunch of poses all over them. So cute. I thought it would be really fun, something different to do with the guests in case you guys are getting bored with what I have picked out so far. I did an episode with Kendra Carter, and we kind of had like a sheet of paper and we were looking at them all and we were like picking the one for each other to do. So that was a really fun video. This is kind of similar to that. I don't know how to play it yet, but I'm really excited. And I like all of the poses that are on there. This one I actually want to do on the next episode. It's called Camel. It's like a back bend. So I'm really excited that that's on here. Can't wait to check them out. All of this stuff I got on Amazon. I just typed in like stretching, fitness, stretching accessories, something like that. And I found all of these things. So I don't really feel like reading the directions for the sake of time on this video, but I will be trying out the rest of the stuff. All right, this here, and these were called yoga dice, and it's called Gary Bank. It's my brother. I'm gonna link everything below, even though I'm not an affiliate yet. I should be before I do these videos, but I'm not gonna gatekeep. I wanna share the wealth. This says PS Athletic, and essentially it's just a long ass stretchy band. I have a whole bunch of booty bands. This is like to help you get the splits. So from what I saw on the lady doing the little infomercial, you put the part of your foot that touches the ground like in a high heel, put it around there. Good luck getting it to the other side, and put it in the same spot over there. Okay. Excuse my rolls, but this is not going to be the most flattering of positions. Okay. All right. Let's see. This one kind of went down a little bit. Sheesh. I must admit, I wish it was easier to get in and out of. But dang, I feel like I could really build up to something in this. Might be able to. This is very interesting. I feel like if one of my legs lets go, I'm gonna like fling. Okay. Oh, let's get a side view. So a lot of my girlies that come on the show cannot really get the splits, and I am here to help. So you are a witness. This is just something that feels so good, except for this thing digging into my back. But wow, awesome. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. You can kind of work up to get in some straight legs, some straight knees. And you can push it out to the side. All right. I'm trying to give you a back view. Ready, set. Oh. Alrighty. Let's see if I can put my legs down. Aside from these elastics feeling crazy, seems like how could you lose? All right, I don't really know anything else you could do with it. The lady in the ad was doing all kinds of crazy stuff, like overhead stuff, like she was like this and like pushing it up, stretching. I don't know, but I'll just be having the girls do the stretch I just showed you. Of course, I got purple because my colors on my channel are like kind of pastel-y type vibe, girly Miami type colors. But yeah, this says PS Athletic. Definitely be bringing that along to the show. Apparently hair sticks to it because I've got a long ass piece of hair. Anyways, all right. So we did the yoga dice. You know what? Let me do that one position. So camel. I didn't land on that one. I actually landed on seated spinal twist. Seated spinal twist is like this. A camel is like, just kidding. I don't think it's like that at all. I'm gonna keep all these bloopers and outtakes in here for you. Camel is like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This, I don't know. I think I might have to adjust my camera, so we might come back to this one. This thing, you put it around your waist and then around your shoe. You do some squats. Oh God, it's long enough. All right, and then this guy goes like this. I'm not gonna adjust my camera. Only part that matters is the bottom half of my body, so I'll just give you a little demo. I gotta put it tighter. But yeah, you just do some squats. I think I gotta watch the video again. Supposed to be like some sort of resistance, and you can do other things too, like a bridge, except I don't know where to put these foot things. Apparently do this with it. Stretching out to the side, which is probably what I'll have my girlies doing with it. This thing feels quite restricting. Not sure how I feel about it. Last but not least, this little gadget right here is called Sean Lee, and you sit in it and pray that you don't get stuck. JK. All right, I'm gonna do my best to give you a front and a back view all at once. Wish me luck. I did this at home, being silly, and shiz got real very fast. So I guess I lied earlier because I did try this at my house. So you just crank that sucker so you can't go no more. And then you adjust. I had to adjust the feet things a whole bunch because I think I might have to again. Because I've got thick ass calves. So my calves never fit in anything, including these little stirrups. Come on. Probably be easier if I move my leg. I just don't want to go back in. Okay, here we go. I don't know how straight I'm gonna be able to get this today, but I think that's it. That's as far as I've ever gotten. Oh my God. So it goes like all the way straight, but I am not that cool to release. You just push it all the way back. Woo-wee. That was crazy. All right, let me see if I can get you another view. If nothing else, it's really fun. You like the little shuffle? All right, let's see. I think I'm gonna hit these things here. My little weight rack. Okay. Trying to spin around so you can see. That's not me, I promise. Oh my God. Sheesh. That's it, that's all she's got. Crazy, right? Well, I for one know that I'm gonna have so much fun with the ladies, with all that fun stuff. I also got this here. It's called a Bolster Pillow. I didn't get this at the same time as I got the other stuff. This is really cool for doing certain stretches, like so many stretches, like all the bedtime stretches. You can just kind of lean over, do something like that, or you could do the ones where you're like crossed here and then you just kind of fall back and rest and just like, oh, let yourself go. Or you can do one of these. And just kind of let yourself fall and just kind of take a minute to relax and breathe. So yeah, this one is a Bolster Pillow. It's called Brentwood Home. It's the name of the people, but I got it on Amazon. And it's like a beanbag, but it does so many cool things. So these are my new accessories. This one I don't think I'll be bringing on the set of Stretch and Fit, only because unless we take turns. Also, the parking garage where I park is like kind of far, so I have to lug all this stuff unless anybody wants to come and help me. Just kidding, that would be creepy. Don't do that. But yeah, so that's all my new stuff that I got for my show, Stretch and Fit. I will link it below, make sure you check it out. All right, comment below and let me know which was your favorite of the accessories that I unboxed and reviewed today. And if you check out the show, you will definitely see me use these with some of the girls. So make sure you but type a comment below because I always read them and I love to interact with you guys there. So also go ahead and tell me who you would like to see on future episodes of Stretch and Fit because I like to give you what you want. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope you love it. If you did, like and subscribe. Smash that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.